What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna look at a trailer today. We're not gonna buy it or anything. This is gonna be for the semi truck. Basically, we're looking for a 3-car trailer so that we can go down to the Danger Ranger race. Now, the idea behind this is that we can have the race truck, a car to drive around in, because I don't think we're gonna drive the semi truck everywhere. And number 3, if we find a Nissan Altima, we might do the Nissan Altima race. I'm not sure. That's if we can find a car, you know, just randomly on the side of the road, or, you know, like just barely running, or well, running. We want it running, but you know what I mean. You know, just some cheap we don't find. If we're driving down, we see a car, we see something we like. It's like, all right, get it in here. So, ooh, no, I didn't. No, I did not plan for though. Oh shit, the freaking floods! This freaking flood! Holy shit! That guy's house is freaking underwater over there. Oh. All right, well we had really bad rains down here in Jersey, so insane, really bad floods here or there. Oh, that church parking lot's flooded. It's actually not that bad. It's bad because it's probably now an inch or 2 of water in that area, but you know, there's places in Jersey probably are worse right here than that. But yeah. So other than that, yeah, we're gonna look at a trailer. So, other than that, we're gonna be looking at a trailer. Now, I'm also gonna have my friend Tom come with us. He's going to probably be the camera person. I might have him be the camera person often if it works out. Because for one, I want to be more personal with you guys. I don't mind holding the camera, but I feel like there's always a better connection when someone holds the camera for you. Well, for me, you know, because I can actually sit here and talk directly to you guys with my hands, both hands. You know, I'm not just kind of like, oh, like dangling, holding things, doing things. You know, so. I think we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see if he likes it or not. Because if he does like it, then maybe I'll have him come down to Danger Ranger race with us. You know, have him record. You know, blah blah, all that stuff, and then you know, see what happens. You know, I don't know. I'm just playing around with it. It's just an idea I have, and it's like, all right, well, let's see how it goes. You know, if it works out better, I like it. So, and plus, it's honestly easier to go like, you know, kind of like with this trailer. It's like, you know, bring a camera on your own. It's like kind of like, you know, the guy's not comfortable being recorded. To me, it's just like kind of like awkward, kind of not weird, but awkward to like kind of like have the camera in your hand talking to yourself with it. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. Other than that, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna go do some work, and then after that work, we're gonna go pick up some regular stuff at Harbor Freight, and then go look at the trailer. Everybody, this is Tom over here.
What's happening?
So he's gonna be the cameraman, maybe for this guy. I don't know if he's going to be let us record there or not. He said he want to talk to us. I guess first, talk to me first, whatever that means. I'm like, okay, but Tom's gonna do recording, so he's gonna record everything that's happening there. But we're gonna get over there and see what happens, and hopefully the trailer's nice. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully not. Not hopefully it's not, but hopefully it is nice. But I'm not looking to buy it today. Just we're gonna look, just ideas, and maybe it's a good price or not. Whatever it is, maybe we'll come back. So catch you guys there. We'll have that there.
Okay.
The front will have that there, as well as there's that little red light that beeps.
Nice.
Assuming we're going right here. Oh, there he's slowly going in front of somebody.
Going up to residence.
Residence of the house, so that's not a house, it's a business. But we're gonna park over here, we're gonna talk to the guy, see what's happening. I don't know if it's over here or over here, but I'm just gonna park right here and we're gonna walk up and see where this guy is and talk to him. Let's stay stop, yes. Yeah, we're gonna go back here, we're gonna park, and we're just gonna figure out where this guy's at, and Tom will hold the camera, and then we'll figure out if he can record or not, and what's going on. Alright, let's go.
There we go. Check this out.
Hey!
You got the camera for that. Hello, dude. I'm not even paying attention. You shouldn't cut out in front of me when I'm not paying attention, but alright, so, alright, oh god, we can get the freaking camera to work with me. Alright, as I'm like difficultly driving with one hand, but we looked at the trailer looked good. We had Yuri and Dan. What's that guy's name from the freaking Addams family?
Lurch.
Lurch. The guy looked like Lurch. It was kind of funny.
Yeah. The guy was like 6'7", perfect spitting image of Lurch, an Addams Family driver.
It's hilarious. I was sitting there just the whole time I was talking, I was just trying to figure out where I remember him from. But other than that, but the trailer was really good. It's in perfect size. Like I was saying, it was, you know, it was long enough for I can definitely get. It was, what do you say, 44, 42 inch of feet?
Yeah.
You said something like that.
44 feet.
44 feet. So every
44
car
feet.
is like the max a car length would be like 18. That's a truck, I think, to be honest. 18, 20. Oh no.
And he said the
No.
trailer can hold 18,000 pounds.
18,000 pounds. I think it's
18,000
more.
pounds.
Yeah.
Had the factory sticker on it.
Factory sticker, original paint apparently, which, you know, back then they made better stuff. Apparently it says an old trailer, which nothing wrong with old trailers. Like, you know, as long as it freaking drives and does all of its things it needs to do, I don't give a shit what it does. Let's get over here. But really good trailer. So for what we need, like I said, we need a trailer for. But I'll also want to throw pictures. I'm sure there'll be pictures throughout this thing. I just edited it here because, you know, he didn't let us record. That's another thing. He didn't let us record because it's private property, which I get it. You know, also another thing though, YouTubers got a bad name because they trash businesses.
Yeah.
You know, like, you know.
Oh yeah.
Like there's a huge thing with YouTubers that they just don't like to do it anymore because so many people have destroyed business reputations and they don't want any part of it.
Oh yeah.
Like, so you can take pictures. I'm like, okay, I'll take a picture. I was gonna do that anyways, but
Yeah, it takes one bad apple to spoil a bunch after all.
spoil a bunch of it all. But yeah, so the trailer is in good shape. We're gonna go figure out finances of how we're gonna go through with it, and then, you know, go from there because it's a good trailer. We can probably, even the cars we have in our yard, we can probably just put them on there, store them on there, make use of the trailer. And he says the trailer has an adapter where I can basically make it a fifth wheel actually without doing anything crazy. So probably going to go through with it, but we're going to see what's going on and see how, you know, all the good financial stuff that we all go through. So see how it goes. But I'm going to get Tom here home, and then we're going to go head back to the house and hopefully not go up this freaking ramp of a car and smash into that freaking, we can hit the Camaro. I'm okay. I'm okay with hitting the Camaro. But I'm okay with that. But yeah, GTA. I want to go steal the jet then. But yeah, so head back home and then figure out what we're doing there. I gotta go to a party. Well, not party tonight. Go to my friend's birthday party for. His birthday's tomorrow. Then we're going to BTR concert tomorrow. Which tomorrow we're going to be dressing up as. Wait, Tom, you did watch Big Time Rush, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember Bandana Man?
Yeah.
I'm dressing up as him tomorrow. Only because my friend texted me. He goes, "You gotta dress up as this," and I was sadly drunk as he texted that to me. And I was like, I'm wearing bananas, so now I have 34 bananas in my house. I bought a whole box of bananas, so
Really?
34
What color?
pack.
Purple?
Purple, yep.
Purple,
They're purple. They're James's colors.
Yeah.
I'm like, great. I'm gonna go here. They're all gonna think I'm gay or something now. Oh well. I said, boo-hoo. Take a joke.
Yeah. Bandana Man is legendary.
Hey, listen, bananas are cool.
Yeah, bro. I never really listened to music, but the show is fire.
That's
You can't
I
beat
love
the
the
show.
show. I love the show. The music's good though. It's actually not bad.
Yeah.
I can definitely live with the music.
Yeah.
I jammed out to it for like three days.
Without a doubt.
Because I got to learn all the lyrics now. I'm like, okay. So I can't drink tomorrow, but it's okay. I can have a couple of drinks before I go. That's it. All right. But yeah, I'll meet you guys at the house.